Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1381, design a stack with increment operation. And in this we have to design a stack that supports increment operations on its elements, and we have to implement the custom stack class, such as we need to initialize a custom stack. A constructor of custom stack will be having maximum size as the parameter, which explains that what is the maximum number of elements in the stack. Push will append an element to the top of the stack. Pop will return the top of the stack, or if it's empty then we have to return -1. This function is interesting. Increment function, what it will basically do is increment the bottom key elements of the stack by value, and if there are less than key elements in the stack, we have to increment all the elements in the stack. Okay, and so these are some of the operations on which it has been performed. The stack is of size 3, then push 1, then push 2, and then pop. Here it will return 2 because that's on the that will be present on the top of the stack. Okay, so this is how what we have to do. So as we all know that stack is a linear data structure, so we to solve this problem we again need to use a linear data structure. So we can use either an array to implement this, or we can use a linked list to implement this. It's completely up to your choice. In linked list we are having some of the built-in functions, so it will be a little bit more easier for us to solve. Otherwise, in the case of array, you need to keep a track of pointers. That will work perfectly well as well. It's up to you. So but in this case I'll be using a linked list approach. Okay, so let's have a linked list of integer. Let's call it stack, that is equal to a new linked list. Okay, and let's have a global variable of max size, so that is, so let's initialize it here. So this dot max size is equal to maximum size. Okay, now while pushing we need to check that the current that the size of the array linked stack should also maintain. So if stack dot size is less than max size, then only we can append or we can add. So we'll be doing a stack dot add value x. Then the next function is pop, so we'll be returning that if stack dot is empty, basically if there's none element or linked list is empty, so in this case we will be returning -1, otherwise we'll be returning the last element. So stack dot remove stk dot size -1, and there comes the increment function. So in this what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than minimum of k comma max size, and then I plus plus. We'll be doing a stack dot set the element at the ith position by set stack dot get the ith element, and we'll be incrementing it by the value given. And now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Oh, index 2 out of bound. What's the error? Okay, it works for this case. Did I miss something? Okay, I'll just give it a check. Okay, so here I made a mistake. Then instead of key, I should have, instead of maxes I should take the size of the stack. And now let's submit again. Submit it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.